Next week in physical education, we're going to play one of my favorite games called Pinball. Pinball is a great game because there's no real contact between students, but they still have a goal in mind, which is to knock the pins over with the balls. On the whistle, students will run out, grab a ball from the line, and start throwing them or rolling them at the other team's pins. Teams can play defense as long as they're in front of the defensive line. The first team to knock all of the other team's pins down wins the game. You can also do a soccer version of this game, a hockey version, a soft frisbee version, or put the kids on scooters for fun. Here are some more tips and tricks when playing with your elementary school students, and stay tuned for my modified version that I do with preschool. Here's a modified version of the game that you can do with preschool called Builders and Bowlers. In this game, half the kids will be builders and half the kids will be bowlers. The bowlers will have the ball and they will roll to try and knock the pins over. The builders will not have a ball. They will be in charge of picking up the pins and setting them up for the bowlers. At the end of each round, you'll switch which students are the builders and which are the bowlers. Thank you for joining us here at Be in the Game. Be sure to subscribe and check back weekly for new games and activities.